I'm Viv Kelvin, and today I'm at Hiller Aviation Museum for a very special event. We've got some visitors here with happy birds who are going to be doing a wonderful event for the kids and for adults as well. We've got Julie and Ed.
Thank you.
Julie, so tell me a little bit about what you're going to be doing.
Well, we are going to be presenting our Happy Birds Performing Parrot Show at Hiller Aviation Museum, and they are so excited.
Oh, these birds are gorgeous. Now, what's their names?
Yeah. Okay, you're holding Forrest. He's our oldest of the three. He's a green-winged macaw, and we've had him since he hatched out of the egg in 1990. This is a guy we rescued. We have actually an animal rescue, a nonprofit, and he came through our rescue 8 years ago. He's 28 years old. His name is Floyd, and Forrest and Floyd are good buddies. But the biggest one, believe it or not, is the youngest. Can you believe that?
No way.
Yeah. Guess how old he is?
I don't know. I don't. 20?
Close. He's going to be 20 in September.
Wow.
His name is Gordon. He's actually the largest of all macaw species. He's called a hyacinth macaw.
And now, how often do you come here to do this event?
Oh, as often as we can. 5 times a year, probably.
Wonderful. And I've noticed it's not just for kids, it's for adults as well. Everybody can come, young, old, and you've got a great event, the place to do it here because you've got all the seating. And then when somebody comes here to buy a ticket to come and see the Happy Birds, they can also see the museum afterwards. So it's like a really good deal.
Yeah, it is. It is good. We love it. Just pairing up with Hiller is a great place for us to bring our birds. Plus, we get to try new things. Our audience size is getting to be quite large again. It's a lot of fun to share the birds with all this energy, right?
Now, if somebody really likes you guys, could they hire you possibly for a birthday party?
Yeah, thanks for asking. We present our show privately for birthday parties. We also do schools, libraries, assembly programs of all kinds and different sizes, even have a virtual act, so it's a lot of fun.
And it's wonderful what you do because you look after these birds and you educate the public about how you take care of them and rescue as well, how birds are rescued.
Yes, I like the way he's articulating
He likes
with his head.
I think he likes that. I'd love to give him a kiss, but somehow I think he'd bite me.
He's a friendly bird. He doesn't bite. He's a really nice guy. Would you like to feed him?
I would love to.
Great. Put your hand out flat like this.
Right,
the best way to socialize with our birds is by feeding them and holding them.
Oh.
They don't all like to be pet because they don't know you very well, but if they got to know you a little bit, they'd probably like a little scratch on the head. All of our birds are hand raised from the day they hatch out of the egg, so they're not from the wild. So that's something we really stress with people, and the fact they can live for 80 years makes them very challenging pets. They need a ton of attention. That's why we train them to do all these great tricks, is because we get a chance to spend time with them every single day and really make their lives the best as possible.
So how do the birds find you if they've come from rescue?
Right, well, we actually have a nonprofit, so once the word is out, everybody's coming out of the woodwork saying, hey, I've got a bird, you want to take him? So we are trying to expand our animal rescue. We're looking for places that we can present our birds in a more social way. So we're trying to procure some property somewhere in the Bay Area or beyond where we can actually have a social place where people can come see these birds rather than having us come see you. But until that happens, we'd be happy to come and see you guys anywhere you are.
Say hello. 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 All right, you can even make the sound of a car alarm. Do your car alarm. Oh my gosh, that hurts my ears. The rooster saying cock-a-doodle-doo.
Well, it's wonderful to meet you, Julie and Ed, and I'm sure everybody out there would just love to come and see them. So come and check out Hiller Aviation Museum, the Happy Bird Show. Look on their website, they've got all the dates there, and it's just a great, great morning out.
Oh, and let's have Forrest say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Oh, bye, honey. Thank you so much. That was so much
welcome.
fun.
It was a lot of fun.